empty on.
So as you can see, your boy has made it to Hawaii. I know it ended last video kind of on a cliffhanger, but I did drop off the mirror. I left my $800 deposit. It's gonna be a total of $1,600. They said they could do it in 2 weeks, so I'm hoping that by the time I get back from Hawaii, which is about like 17, 18 days, that once I land back, I can go home obviously, but like take an Uber straight there, pick it up. Hopefully it looks amazing. Hopefully the paint matches. Hopefully there's no weird leaks. I also need to call them to paint the inside. I don't know if that should have been said or not, but David brought up that as a good point, along with the white little air vent. I think I want them to put that back on the car as well. But as of right now, I'm just waiting for Slater to pick me up. We're gonna head to JDM Hawaii. I want to see exactly what he has in stock. I can't wait to show you guys what he has in stock. I want you guys to also comment below what type of videos you want me to make, because I remember like a month ago or 2 months ago, people were saying that I think I asked this question, but people were saying they want to see videos that are kind of impossible to do back home. But now that I'm at a dealership and I'm working with a dealership, I can make which K-Van is the best, or comparing the Acti to the Sandbar, or comparing the Miragino to the Atlas or something like that. You know what I mean? The fact that Slater has like 50, 60 cars in his inventory, we'll be able to go over a bunch of different models. So comment below which videos you want me to make. While we wait for Slater though, let me update you guys on the giveaway. We are down to this many slots at the time we're recording this video. I cannot believe how fast the thing is filling up. And to make it fill up even faster, let's go over the winners for the YouTube giveaway and the Patreon giveaway. I might give away some more free slots on Patreon, so if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Write down 2 random numbers.
2 random?
Yeah.
Where?
From 1 to 3,000. I need one more number between 1 and 3,000.
So 2 numbers?
Yeah, 2 numbers. Wow. So creative. All right, so on this side, I need 3 more numbers between 1 and 2,000. As you guys just saw, Liam wrote these numbers down. He wasn't really too creative on the Patreon side, or this side, honestly, but that's what you get when you ask a 7-year-old to write some numbers. So shout out to all the winners. I will be writing you guys down. And now, let's get back to the video. Here's my ride. The man of the hour. Aloha! I've been in Hawaii for a total of 5 minutes and I've seen 2 Actis.
Let's go get them.
2 K cars at that. It's crazy.
Let me put on my blinkers.
I think for just the thing with Hawaii is that for such a small place, there's so many. Like this is just this is the closest you're gonna get to Japan. Like to having K cars and like them being the perfect used vehicle.
And it's got
And look, they got a lot of stuff in the back too. Pizza shop Acti.
There you go.
What car well, I actually know what car I'm going to be driving, but what car am I going to be driving outside of Mr. Rusty? I can't wait to show you guys Mr. Rusty, the good old Suzuki Cappuccino that is mine in Hawaii. And to be honest, I kind of want to buy it and bring it back to New York. We're going to see what happens. I actually found some tri-spokes for it. I haven't told Slater about it yet, but maybe I buy that and we drive it home from California again. Same way we did with the Cappuccino, but this time with a 4-speed Suzuki Carry K truck. First time seeing it in a long time. It didn't even have this before either.
No.
Oh, it's not difficult then. It looks
It's made for that.
for this
It's
truck.
specifically this is for the Acti.
Yeah. No, this guy did an amazing job. I actually found something for this car too.
You did?
Yeah. I might buy it and actually put it on. I found it. I might have to go on here. Wow.
Look Look at the texture.
Yeah, how did how does that even work? Even the interior. This is so there's no more Barbie.
No.
Right?
Rest in peace, Barbie.
Rest in peace, Barbie, but this one, bro, is like a phoenix. And this is what came out of it. Wow, double then too.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's crazy. But it's still 4-speed and everything, right?
Yeah, so
Okay,
far,
cool.
still 4-speed. Everything works, the speakers,
Oh,
everything.
we put a light bar here or something?
There is, I think there's something, yeah, that just got, the neck's gotta get tightened up a little bit, but we did
And all this works?
all that works.
Wow.
That works.
This is even new, right?
This is from Barbie.
Yeah, exactly. This
Yeah.
wasn't here either. This wasn't here either.
These are from,
This is my mirror right here.
yeah.
My
So this is from Barbie.
This.
That
This.
the steering wheel, the box,
Yeah.
the door cards,
Yeah. Has cup holders. too.
Miyazaki sounds.
Yeah.
It's all there. Small portion of my home.
This is a small portion? This is not a small portion. No way.
Yeah, way more inside.
This is my dream in a way too. Like to.
Shopping right now.
I know. Let's say you don't leave with this, you could still leave with a miniature version. You just got these boxes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember you telling me about them.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah. No, it looks really good. It's like really put together. Oh yeah, these cool guys. So here's my car for the first couple days. We got ourselves a Daihatsu Miragino that isn't a blueberry lemon. Here's how the front end looks, exactly like mine, which is pretty cool. And then same thing with back here. You don't have a broken rear bumper, you just have a clean 3-piece. So I'm gonna be driving this guy, it's automatic. We've never driven a Gino, honestly. We're gonna be switching up the cars every other day. So maybe I drive the Pajero the next day, maybe the El Grand, maybe one of the Mitsuoka Vutes. But like I said earlier, should I make a video comparing the Carry, Hijet, and Acti? Should we do the same with the Sandbar? I'm sure he has one. This is just a dealer lot. He also has a repair shop that we'll go to at some point. But a bunch of cars. This is cool to see. Just giving you guys a quick sneak peek. The stainless steel bed is nice. We got ourselves a Suzuki Carry scissor lift. I know a lot of people watching this want scissor lifts. You can get one of these cars shipped to the States if you want. I did that with my Cappuccino. I think it was around like $1,500 to LA. Oh, this one's sold. I was gonna say we can make a video on this van. I know a lot of people want vans, but shout out to, ooh, it even has the basket in the back. Shout out to whoever bought this. AC, 5-speed, brown interior, old style. And then everything here is sold except these two. So we're definitely doing a video on this Opti. Shout out to the homie Tiki Bunny. This one isn't a Fiat, a Barf, but still a cool car. I've never driven one of these or really know much about them. I really gotta find this for my car. If someone can tell me what this is, I would greatly appreciate it, but my dash on my Blueberry Lemon is missing it. And I don't even know what to look up to find that piece, but definitely need that on my mirror walkthrough. But I'm fresh off a 13-hour flight, currently driving the Miragino. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We'll go over this car along with everything on this lot. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Road to 40K, road to 100K before this year is over. I know I only have 3 more months, but we're locked in. And thank you guys for watching. Peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.